Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the export command. It's a bash built-in that allows command line variables to be available to a child process, a second shell, or a script that you run. To illustrate, I'm going to set up a variable, var1 equals 1, and I will echo it like this. Okay, now I'm going to go into another shell, so I'm starting bash within bash, and I'm going to echo var1 again, but it isn't there, it isn't available. So now I'm going to exit the shell, and I'm going to export var1 like this. Now, if I go back into the shell, the second shell, and echo var1, there it is. Exit that again. Now, this same technique works with scripts. So if I have a script like this one that echoes a variable, and I can say, okay, var2 equals, 2. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and run the script, and it prints nothing. But if I export var2 and then run the script again, it's available. So you need to use export if you want variables to be available to subshells or to scripts that use them. Well, that's your Linux tip for the export command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.